Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi Shivani ma'am, can you please tell us about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Shivani Fotedar. I am a diabetic nutritionist and I believe that diabetes reversal is possible with proper diet and nutrition.
Ma'am, you yourself had diabetes, so how did you cope up with that?
Yeah, it was definitely very painful and I really was very scared when I was diagnosed with diabetes. And then I started researching that how can I reverse my diabetes and how can I stop my medication. So I read a lot of books and I researched how I can do it with diet and nutrition rather than continuing my medicines.
Start helping people reverse diabetes.
Actually, when I reversed my own diabetes with diet and nutrition, I stopped my own medication and my HbA1c started coming normal. And then, I thought that I can help many other people. And then I started posting my content invariably on, Facebook, Instagram. And people started following me, believing in me, and they started asking me that how they can do it as well. And then I thought that okay, let me do it for other people now. And then I studied about diabetic nutrition. I did a lot of courses in Ayurveda and I'm a diabetic educator also. So I educated myself about diabetes management, diabetes reversal, foods which are sustainable for reversing diabetes.
So ma'am, why did you choose millet as the base of your diet plan?
I chose millets because millets are a naturally grown grains and millets are full of fiber. Millet has about 8 to 12% fiber, depending on which millet you are using. And millets do not need a lot of water for growing, and millets are full of lot of B vitamins also, which help not only in diabetes but they help in reversing other diseases as well. So and then millet is it's an Indian grain, it's not a foreign grain, so that's how I chose millets to reverse diabetes.
So ma'am, I heard that you have your own millet brand. How did you start your own millet brand?
Actually, when I started using millets for reversing diabetes, so people used to ask me that, ma'am, where do we get the millets, which is the most authenticate brand for millets. So I used to recommend different brands. I had to research a lot that which brand is good, and I faced a lot of issues also with millets from the other brands, and my clients used to complain that, ma'am, the millets were not good, and they faced a lot of issues. So that is how it struck me that I can start my own brand, because I would know the quality of the brand and it will be easier for me to consult people about millets and to give them proper guidance. So that's how I started my own brand. It was not that easy.
Thank you so much ma'am, it was a lovely conversation with you. I wanted to ask the last question, which is, if somebody wants to book a consultation call with you, how can they do that?
Yeah, if somebody wants to contact us, they can either DM me on my Instagram account, the link would be given below, or they can contact us on the given number below. Thank you for watching the video, and for more such videos and information, do subscribe the channel.